Welcome back to the Quest for Treasure. On the Quest for Details channel. Here with me, Nate, your host. And we are making our way out to the California coast. And just as quick as that, back to it. So, the quest goes on, and you're invited. Off that away. We just drove out of 90 degrees into a fog belt that's hugging the coast. It's a weekday. Hopefully, we're gonna find a lot of treasure. We have the new Minelab. Yay! Minelab Equinox 800. And we are rolling with it to the coast. First coast trip, you're invited. Well, here is our first stop. And we have the CKG sand scoop that they sent us. And carbon fiber handle. We have the double D 11-inch Equinox coil on the 800. And we have this whole beach that I've never been on before. I always drive by it. I didn't know it was this big. I always think I'm heading for better real estate. And honestly, to be here with the vacuum, first beach with this machine, yeah. So I'm gonna put it in beach mode 1. We're gonna go to town. I'll show you what we find. First, a little climb down. Well, I tell you what, this thing is just, between the size of the coil, the fact that it weighs 2.5 pounds, I think this weighs like 3.5 total. The size of the footprint, the grab, we're running multi-frequency. I mean, it's literally vacuuming stuff up, and I can go over an area like this and just be like, boom, got it. No signals. It's crazy. I think I'm in love. First coin off the beach, first coin off this trip, red nickel. Being in the salt water. Loving the machines. It's exciting for me because I get to learn all the signals over. It's a whole different brain. Not bad. Next one out of the scoop is something big. Like that. It's a 1776 to 1976 commemorative United States $50. $1.50. You don't find those even in change very often. Nice to see on a beach. It was up there in the screaming 30s too. This machine has tones you can set for every different target, or the ones that they have set, or you know, you could choose 5 tones split up amongst your target IDs, 10 tones, 50 tones. It's awesome. So it's really got a large vocabulary to let you know what's going on, which is always good if you like communication. That's what we got. Scoop. Looks like silver to me. Oh, got the Celtic knot, the eternity knot. Might have been plated. Or not. 925 stamped in right there. Okay, this was reading in the 20s again, and I caught a glimpse of a little loop as I went for the second scoop, and we have the second ring within the first hour of getting to the beach with the Equinox. And this is also beautiful. I'm so stoked. It's like a skull and crossbones, or a Mickey Mouse pattern, or just neither of the above hidden down in there. But a gentle little... You know what? Those may have held gemstones is what it was. If you look, I think there's one left. See it? So I think it's a diamond little ring. There's two left. And they've lost all the rest. So those are little, you know, metal pieces that hold the stones. And you can see on the back it's actually made to let the light through. So it's some sort of ring with stones in it. Possibly diamonds. 925. 925. So, silver with stones. Second ring. Some of these coins have been here for a while too. Well, we have worked our way up to the north end of the beach. Working our way back south. Down there where all the paths come down and the actual log cabins are all built, so we found our 2 silver rings on this beach.